Starting in mountain pose on the paddleboard, inhale, arms sweep out and up, gently arch back. Exhale, open the arms wide, soar forward, palms down to the board, and just take a breath. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and step your left foot back to a low lunge. Drop the left knee down, and just stabilize here. So being on a paddleboard makes it more difficult to just do the basic pose like lunge. If you want to stabilize with your right hand, extend the left arm up, and that will help you to stay balanced. Use your core strength, root down through the front foot, back knee is nice and grounded, and just lengthen the spine and feel the waves moving beneath you if there's waves, or just connect with the earth element to ground down from the board into the center of the earth. If you want to try a little advanced technique, extend the arms straight up, lengthen the spine. And folding forward, the palms down on either side of that front foot, you can shift your hips back, isolating the right hamstring, fold forward over the right leg, and just take a few breaths. So you're going to repeat this on both sides. Use your hands to stabilize you. You can hold the outer edge of the board, and if you want to go into an advanced pose, you can slide that front leg forward and come into Hanumanasana, full splits. And then press back to downward dog. So grounding into the palms, we can try one leg down dog or downward dog splits, we sometimes call this one. Palms rooting into the earth, lift the right leg straight up to the sky. You're going to do both sides, don't forget. This time the left leg comes up on the inhale, grounding into the palms, stabilize. And on your exhale, step your left foot forward between the hands. You're going to do the same lunge on this side. If you want to try a little variation, this is a side angle pose. So that front leg is going to be bent, and you place your hand on the inside at a little angle, so that will help you to stabilize. And then be sure to do both sides. Here's another option, a little spinal twist, rooting into the opposite hand, extend the arm up. And then always coming back to the center, plank position. Exhale, lower down slowly. Inhale, up dog or cobra, arch back, coming all the way back to standing. Arms sweep out and up, interlace the fingers, lift your heart, gently arching back. And we're going to come all the way down to seated. So we ended this practice with an Om session in Maui, and it was so beautiful. We had 20 people out there on the boards, holding hands, and so we'll do it together just a couple times. Inhale, nice deep breath in. Deep breath in. And one more time, deep breath. And thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this. Go out on the water, appreciate the beauty of nature today. Namaste.